Théoneste Heganiro, chairman of Rwanda China Alumni Organization, has said that the Communist Party of China is a people's party because it cares for the people of China.
The CPC, when I look the way they are doing, how they are helping people, how they are looking at the well-being of the Chinese people, I may describe CPC as people's party. It's a party that is caring for the population of China. The Chinese Communist Party is a party that is trying their best so that they can raise the well-being of the Chinese people. For example, when you are in China, you will see that especially the primary infrastructure development is at high level. Let's say like schools, like roads, like health centers, and everything that the normal person will need in his daily life. It is well developed and well planned. So that is the vision of the CPC.
Many international polls in recent years show that at least 90% of the Chinese people trust their government.
Many Chinese people, they have confidence in the CPC. That's why they are ranked high. They feel it's good to have a CPC at the leadership.